Imagine a home where daily chores are a thing of the past, handled seamlessly by intelligent machines. The future of domestic robotics is no longer a distant dream, but a rapidly unfolding reality. What if your laundry folded itself, your floors cleaned themselves, and your dishwasher unloaded itself? Not in 20 years, not in a lab, but this year in real homes. This is thanks to a stealth startup quietly redefining domestic robotics, moving beyond simple, repetitive tasks to more complex actions requiring adaptability and problem-solving skills. Forget clunky, single-task bots that get stuck under chairs. This next generation moves with spatial awareness, dexterity, and intent. One robot, compact, wheeled, with soft grip arms, navigates tight hallways, sorts socks by color and size, and stacks them neatly in drawers. Its vision system, trained on thousands of real-world laundry piles, not staged demos, allows it to handle varying shapes and fragility. Another unit handles kitchen cleanup. It opens cabinets, retrieves plates, loads the dishwasher, then unloads it hours later, placing dishes exactly where you do. It learns your habits over time. Leave a coffee mug on the counter at 7 a.m., it waits. Spill sauce at dinner time, it adapts its path, avoids the mess, and alerts you via app. The key breakthrough isn't just AI. It's embodied intelligence, combining physical bodies with AI to enable them to understand and interact with the world effectively. These robots don't just see, they anticipate. Using multimodal models, they distinguish a crumpled shirt from a cat napping on the couch. They pause when a child runs by. They even detect when something's off, like a leaking faucet or a fridge left ajar, and send a proactive alert. Critically, they're designed for collaboration, not replacement. You set preferences, fold towels loosely, glassware in top cabinet. They don't require perfect homes. They work in clutter. They recharge autonomously. And privacy? On-device processing means no video leaves your home. This isn't just convenience. It's reclaimed time, hours per week, for rest, creativity, or simply being present. For aging adults, it's dignity. For busy families, it's sanity. For the future of home tech, it's a quiet revolution. No hype, just execution. Companies like Medea are developing robots capable of operating appliances, folding clothes, and retrieving ingredients from the refrigerator. 1X, a Norwegian company, specializes in AI and robotics, developing lightweight, humanoid robots like Neo for both industrial and domestic use. Tesla's Optimus Gen 2 is a general-purpose robotics platform designed to assist with industrial and domestic tasks, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Unitree Robotics is known for agile and cost-effective robots, such as the G1, suited for service industries and research environments, now adapting for home. Aptronic's Apollo is an industrial humanoid robot engineered to tackle heavy-duty tasks in manufacturing, with potential applications in home assistance. Figure AI is developing the Figure 03, a humanoid robot designed to work across the global economy, including in homes, promising versatile assistance. The role of AI is crucial, powering automation, optimizing energy consumption, and enhancing security in smart homes through machine learning. AI-driven voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant are becoming essential components, allowing users to control devices hands-free. Predictive analytics enable AI to learn user behavior, optimize energy usage, and detect potential problems before they occur, ensuring efficiency. The future outlook involves more AI-driven, adaptable, and collaborative robots that will spread throughout homes, handling complex tasks and adapting to dynamic environments. The robots aren't coming. They're already here. The convergence of robotics with AI, natural language processing, and speech is accelerating this field. If this glimpse into the near future of home life inspired you, please subscribe, like, and share with someone who believes technology should serve humanity, not complicate it. Tap the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos on innovation, AI, and the real-world breakthroughs reshaping how we live.